Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today's part 19. It's 2006 Kia Sportage, and this video is pretty much just an update about what's going on and what we're going to be doing off camera. Alright, coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, take a look at the engine, because this is the last time you're going to be seeing this inside the house. No, I'm
about time.
Okay. Sylvia, jokes. We're in the middle of a virus and she's cracking jokes. All right, check it out, guys. No, I'm not gonna put the exhaust manifolds and everything on. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna do that together. But this is the last time you're gonna see this engine inside the house. And when we come back, I'm gonna let you know why. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here on the concrete. Got the tractor here. I'm gonna put the tractor on the seat, and I'm gonna put the engine on the seat. And I'm gonna drive it out. No, let me stop. Okay, I got the Kia right back here. Now this is what we're gonna do, guys. Notice I backed it. I put the Kia all the way back. Now, I was wondering how I'm gonna put this engine in here, back in here, because it was a heck of a time taking it out. And according to the manual and all, this thing's gotta drop from the bottom. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jack this thing all the way up, and I want you to look inside here. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this right now. One thing I know, I see two looks like 10mm nuts right there. Hopefully if I take those off, it unplugs, take the whole harness out. I have no idea, guys. I think I'm gonna leave the rack and pinion connected to the but anyway, I am gonna drop the whole chassis with the transmission on it and everything and drag it up on out of here. Now we're gonna set the engine on the cradle and everything, and then somehow put it back in the car. So, off camera, I'm not gonna. Dang, what the heck, I scratched myself on. Off camera, I'm not going to. Well, you know, off camera, I'm gonna do all this. So we ain't gonna record none of this, because it's gonna be it'll be a boring video, and I hate boring. I need to get to this. So in that way, while it's out, we can hook up the throttle body. What the heck? There was supposed to be a coolant pipe here somewhere. Oh, yeah, here it is. Hanging down here like this. So, and what's that? What's that? That goes to the other end of the hose. See, all this, guys, instead of doing this while it's in the car, I'm going to get this done put all this together while it's outside the car. It'd just be so much better for us. All right? So, any questions, Sylvia?
No.
Sylvia ain't got no questions, so we're good to go. All right, guys, we'll be right back.
Alright, so that was a quick, easy video. Part 19 on this 2006 Kia Sportage. Make sure to stay tuned for part 20, when we'll have the engine out here, and I don't know what's happening then. But anyway, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.